Hello, welcome back to class with detail EXPLN and case studies. Small Diamond 1. Introduction. Businesses are not only economic units aiming for profit but also social institutions. They must balance profit making with responsibilities towards society. Small Diamond 2. Meaning of social responsibility. Social responsibility is the duty of a business to act in the best interests of society and the environment while pursuing its profit goals. Checkmark example. A textile company that ensures fair wages, avoids child labor, and uses eco-friendly dyes is fulfilling its social responsibilities. Small Diamond 3. Need for social responsibility. Public expectation. Society now expects ethical behavior from businesses. Legal requirements. Many CSR activities are required by law. EG. CSR spending by companies under Companies Act, 2013. Survival and growth. A socially responsible image builds customer loyalty. Moral justification. It is the right thing to do. Better environment reduces pollution, improves community relations. Small Diamond 4. Arguments for and against social responsibility. Check mark. Arguments for long-term interest of business. Better public image. Avoidance of government regulation. Employee satisfaction. Social power justifies social responsibility. Cross mark. Arguments against profit motive may be diluted. Costly and burdensome. Not the primary goal of business. Lack of social skills. Small Diamond 5. Kinds of social responsibility. Economic responsibility. Produce goods and earn profit. Legal responsibility. Obey laws, EG, taxes, labor laws. Ethical responsibility. Do what is right, even if not legally required, EG, equal treatment. Discretionary responsibility. Voluntary activities, EG, donations, community development. Small Diamond 6. Social responsibility towards different interest groups. Group responsibility. Owners ensure fair return on investment. Employees fair wages, safe working conditions. Consumers quality goods at reasonable prices. Government pay taxes, follow rules. Society environmental protection, community service. Small Diamond 7. Business and environmental protection. Businesses are major contributors to pollution and resource depletion, so they must take active steps to protect the environment. Pushpin steps. Use eco-friendly production. Proper waste disposal. Use renewable energy sources. Pollution control technologies. Checkmark. Case study 1. Tata Group. Tata Group is known for its ethical practices and social initiatives. Tata Steel established hospitals and schools in Jamshedpur. Tata Trusts contribute to education, water, and sanitation. Environmental efforts in reducing carbon footprint. Lesson. Profit and social responsibility can go hand in hand. Checkmark. Case study 2. Patanjali Ayurved. Patanjali promotes use of natural ingredients, Ayurvedic and eco-friendly products, employing local labor and promoting Indian agriculture. Lesson. Business success is possible while serving society. Small Diamond 8. Business ethics. Business ethics are moral principles and standards that guide behavior in the world of business. Pushpin features, based on moral values, govern behavior beyond law. Universal in nature, truth, integrity, fairness, improve business reputation. Checkmark example. A company refusing to bribe a government officer to win a contract shows ethical behavior. Small Diamond 9. Elements of business ethics. Top management commitment. Publication of a code of conduct. Employee training. Establishment of compliance mechanism. Involvement of employees at all levels. Checkmark. Case study 3. Infosys. Infosys is recognized for transparency and ethical governance. Code of conduct for employees. Strong CSR and sustainability efforts. Lesson. Ethics create trust among stakeholders. Pushpin conclusion. A socially responsible and ethical business is more sustainable in the long term. While profit is essential, how that profit is earned matters even more. Thank you. See you in next session.